Mechatronics, your smart factory total solution.
Mixed boxes depalletizing is a process of separating and handling different types of cases. It is mostly applied in the field of retail, e-commerce, or distribution center. To address the challenge of recognizing various types of boxes, we use a diffusion model-based generative AI to generate semi-synthetic and fully synthetic datasets to train the AI recognition model. Part of this dataset comes from the real world, while the other part is derived from NVIDIA Omniverse simulations. By integration of a 3D camera, the TM 3D calibration tool can automatically calculate the robot's hand-eye transformation. With just a few clicks and by following the application guidance within the TM Robot Palletizing Development Kit. The Techman robot, equipped with AI algorithms, can analyze visual data to recognize different boxes, enabling the depalletizing system to adapt to various box sizes, textures, and even colors, creating the benefits of rapid and accurate cases separation in your field.
TPC Mechatronics, advancing industries together. Learn more at tpcpage.co.kr.